Every day at your job is your last day. If you don't have ownership, your boss can let you go at any time. Please let that sink in. Earning money passively requires you to do work at the beginning to create that thing, and it makes money for you even when you are not working. One of the most taught and best ways to earn money passively is by creating a dropshipping e-commerce store. Picture this. You're a busy mom or dad with a full-time job. You have always wanted to start an e-commerce store, but you know the difficulty in creating the product, packaging and shipping that product to your customers. Whew. Are you exhausted as yet? Here is the amazing thing about dropshipping. You don't have to worry about creating a product, packaging and shipping the product. Once your store is set up, your supplier does all the heavy lifting. A dropshipping supplier will ship the order to your customer. A benefit of dropshipping is that there is limited cash risk. The next passive income idea is to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product using a customized link. When someone makes a purchase using the link, the company pays you a commission. You make purchases at the store every day, every week, every month. The store manager or cashier does not say to you, here is a $50 back for buying that skin cream. You get nada. How about you learn how you can earn from the products you use? If you shop on Amazon, the Amazon Associates is an excellent place for beginners. Research found that approximately 81% of affiliate marketers earned over $20,000 yearly. In the year 2020, Adrian Brambilla made around $750,000 from affiliate marketing by sharing his affiliate links on his blog, his social media accounts, and his newsletter. Now, I'm not telling you that you're going to make this amount, but it's a great way to earn an extra stream of income and a great way to earn passive income. The third passive income idea is selling digital products. Think of that idea that you would like to package and sell online. Digital products are those assets that you can't physically interact with, like ebooks, downloadables, templates, PDF, digital courses, etc. With digital products, you do the work once and you can earn continuously on automation. The startup cost is low. For example, you can use Canva to create templates, use Google Drive for PDFs and downloadable Word documents. The next income idea is selling stock photos online. Whoever came up with this idea is a genius. I have seen a lot of creators use stock photos in their educational content, including me, and it just helps to bring your story to life. Oh, if you are into photography, it generally requires you to trade your time for money. That's active income. However, whether you're into photography or not, if you have a very good camera, love recording videos and taking photos, you can sell these online to make money. You can use stock photo sites like Pixel, which I really love, and Shutterstock to sell your images. This final passive income idea does require high investment, but I love it because it is one of the investments that allow me to become financially free and quit my full-time job as a teacher. And that passive income idea is investing in a rental property. This is one of the best and oldest way of creating long-term wealth for you and your family. With this passive income idea, you can use your earnings to expand in the business or invest in other passive income ideas. Earning passive income is possible for everyone. There are 24 hours in the day. If you are going to say to me, you are too busy, then why not start busy? Because you are never going to be not busy.